how to create an unclickable menu in Wix. So the first thing that we'll need to do is log into our Wix account and click on Edit Site, which will load up the Wix website editor. Now, if we want to create an unclickable menu item, we will hover over Pages and Menu here, click on it, and where it says Site Menu, we will need to select this button here for a drop-down title. Now, once we create it, I will just name it Unclickable. I'm going to click on Done, and I'll drag this a bit further up so it's easier to see. Now it's going to look like this. Now we can create some other menu items, and I'll just add a new page here, blank page. It's gonna create it, and I'll go back into Pages and Menu. And this is the page that I just created. I'll call it Test. Done. And now what we need to do is get this page and drag it under the unclickable section. So just give it some time to set it up right here. I'm gonna come back in a sec. Okay, so right here, this is the page that we just created. I will drag it under the unclickable menu that we just created. And now if we click on Preview, it's going to load up our website just to confirm that this is an unclickable menu. So as you can see, once we hover over it, people cannot click it, but they can select the pages that we have added to it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.